Ever wondered how to recreate the rich, complex flavors of traditional Khmer cuisine? Today, we delve into the heart of Cambodia, uncovering the secrets of a beloved local dish, Krill Phar Ork. A dish that not only tantalizes our taste buds, but also offers a glimpse into a culinary tradition passed down through generations. Krill Phar Ork, or pickled fish, is a staple in Khmer cuisine. It's a delightful blend of flavors, from the sourness of the pickled fish to the heat of chili, the sweetness of palm sugar, and the earthy aroma of fresh herbs. But how does one create this masterpiece at home? The process begins with selecting the freshest fish. Traditionally, Cambodians use mudfish, but any firm whitefish will do. The fish is then cleaned, deboned, and cut into slices. Remember, the thinner the slices, the quicker it will pickle. Next comes the pickling process. The fish slices are mixed with a generous amount of sea salt and left to ferment in a clay pot. The pot is covered with a tight lid to keep any air from entering, as it's the anaerobic fermentation that gives Krill Phar Ork its unique flavor. Patience is key here. The fish needs to ferment for at least 3 days, but some prefer to wait up to a week. While the fish ferments, it's time to prepare the spices. A paste, called craving, is made by blending together lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, garlic, and shallots. This fragrant paste forms the backbone of many Khmer dishes, including Krill Phar Ork. Once the fish has fermented, it's mixed with the craving, chili, and palm sugar. This mixture is then cooked slowly over low heat, allowing the flavors to meld together. The result is a flavorful pickle that can be enjoyed with warm, sticky rice. But Krill Phar Ork isn't just a dish, it's a testament to Cambodia's culinary heritage. By preparing and enjoying this dish, we're not only satiating our appetites, but we're also keeping a piece of the past alive. Each ingredient, each step in the process, tells a story of a culture steeped in history and tradition. Preserving traditional Khmer food like Krill Phar Ork is of utmost importance. It's a way of honoring our ancestors, their wisdom, and their culinary prowess. It's about passing down the torch of tradition to future generations, ensuring that they too can experience the delight of authentic Cambodian cuisine. So, the next time you're in the mood for something different, why not give Krill Phar Ork a try? It's more than a dish. It's a journey through time, a celebration of heritage, a symphony of flavors that has been enjoyed by Cambodians for centuries and will continue to be relished by generations to come. And remember, cooking is not just a skill, it's an art, a form of expression, a way of connecting with our roots. So, embrace the adventure, unravel the secrets of traditional Khmer cuisine, and let the flavors of Krill Phar Ork transport you to the heart of Cambodia.